All right, so is Bitcoin going to crash because of a whale alert? You may have seen on Instagram or other sources that somebody has posted that there's been a whale alert for 371 million worth of Bitcoin at 40 leverage. If you don't know what 40 leverage is, it means money you don't have. You are saying you have more money to play with, but if it goes down a little bit, you lose more money, and you can be liquidated very quickly. However, you can gain a lot of money very quickly. The Bitcoin whale alert states that he has a liquidation price of 85,596, and he bought at an entry of 84,043. When we go to look at the actual chart, it would be essentially these two yellow lines. So he bought in around 84, and he has been liquidated already. It said he was in 400,000 profit just in this little area. Liquidation. That shows you that a bunch whenever that it's the cryptocurrency market is the bull run. People make stupid decisions. Yes, we could see a lower Bitcoin. However, this whale has been liquidated since he had his entry. And we do see that the market is starting to pull back. We do want to see it push over the downward trend line. And with that, we could start seeing a movement upwards, which you can clearly see with XCN, which we talk about in this channel a bunch. And XCN is also following the cup and handle pattern. It broke above the downward trend line and it's starting to curve upwards within this orange half circle. I believe XCN will be taking off with next bull run, as well as XRP and Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. But you can see XRP, whenever we were talking about an entry around $1.90, has been nothing but profit since then. And we are starting to see more support and push upwards. And you see that these little cup handles, these little, this pattern, it tends to be more bullish. When it tries to push down, has immediate bull, and does the bullish engulfing. Right here, it tests and closes higher than the previous bear. And we could see a push up if it closes higher than this last point here on March 20th. Then we could see a potential further increase. Important days are here in between April, and I believe we could wait until June to see further movement within XRP, but keep stacking your bag of XRP. We were talking about Core previously. Core is also doing the same kind of movements right here, and we do want to see it close above this previous bear being the 20th of March. A close above that, we could see the progression back upwards with Core, and it also has Core staking, where you can stake your Core and Bitcoin and earn APY on that. In BNT, we had bought down near this black line around 0.38, and we are currently getting back into the bullish section. It's up 10%, I believe around 13% from the absolute bottom. But BNT is about to close and hold above this bull on the 19th, which could increase above the red CM guppy. And it does have a lot of potential to continue to push up past $1, $2, $3. I believe it goes up to $10, being its all-time high, but a very good entry on BNT if you were looking at that. Dogecoin, potential to hit $4, doing a little bit more of a consolidation move, but I believe we'll start moving upwards in the cup and handle pattern, similar to XCN and what that coin is doing as well. And the last one I wanted to bring up, I guess last three, LCX, starting to do the same pattern. The cup right here, or I guess it's not a cup and handle technically, but it is starting to push back, and we want to see it close above this March 20th date. And then we can start seeing high potential. We did have an entry around here at 15 cents. If you're on my trading channel or in my signal channel, we are up in profit about, I think, 10%. And then we can see this start moving upwards as well. There's a lot of cup and handles forming. Toshi is one I wanted to bring up, and then XYO. Toshi, just because it's a meme coin, it is at a low point, lower than when it started. So just keep in mind that it's a meme coin. It may be a quick potential gain along with the rest of the coins that are doing the bull market. And XYO. XYO is starting to get some major support right off the fair value gap around 0.009. We are testing above 1 penny, but also once it breaks over this black downward trend line, we can start seeing a heavier push upwards past 2 cents, up to, I believe, 25 cents or higher. And that's it for this episode. I always recommend using Grass, downloading the application. You get points, which will be delivered at Epoch 9, where you get Grass tokens. It's free money, just downloading an app to your desktop. I also recommend MEXC for the best trading platform with lowest fees. Definitely do your own research. Or Coinbase is doing airdrops. All the links are listed below in my video, and I will see you guys on the next one.